Yeah, there's a fish. Yeah, we got him, he's a nice one. Oh. There's a bite. Yeah. Oh. No, they're coming off. We had to cannibalise that one, made an inch meat of it. I'm hoping he's still out there. They're just great at getting those hooks out, aren't they? Right, let's see these boys. You up the lads? Okay. Yeah, flying. Jeez, that's not something you see every day. Today we're at a new small stream. We just have the spinning rod, 2 split shots, a hook and the worms again. Hopefully pick up something much bigger in any way today. New hook, new worm, fresh start. Oh, nice little worm on there. Close these bad boys up. Right, let's go. I'm liking this like little slow coming over corner here. Just stick it down. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a metal wire here. Oh, I'm at to catch him. I'm probably spooking the hole. If we are, we are. We'll give it one more cast, just to be sure. And we'll move on, see what this little stream has to offer. Right, sure. Now look, we'll keep moving with us. Currently on the opposite side of that tree. Just throwing over. That's it. Fingers crossed this holds something. Right. Gonna keep going. Fresh worm, so hopefully they pick up the scent. We can't beat an overhanging tree, but I can see there's a few hatchings here, so. Fish, yeah. Comes back. I don't even know if I have a worm. Yeah, we still have a worm anyway, so back out. Fingers crossed. Back in here. I think he came back and legged. I'm gonna stay away from the bank this time a little bit. Just gonna try to go over a little bit further. Oh, that fucking fence. I'm gonna try to get a little bit further over. Keep the line a little bit tight. Yeah, there's a fish. Yeah, we got him, he's a nice one. Oh. Just tighten the drag there a little bit. Oh, he's a nice fish. Just gonna get the net here. Just trying to keep him here. I'm gonna get him into the net there now. Excellent. Oh, one on the board. What a chunk to start with. Give us a look at you. Good thing is, at least the net's wet, so our hands are at least wet. I'll tell you, I'm happy with this fella. Look at him. He's a big fella. Probably the best fella I've ever had. One of them. Oh, we're out safely, thank God. Whoa, still has a bit of life in him. Oh, yes. I tell you, I'm happy with him. Whoa. Definitely happy with him. We'll put him back in the net, get him rested, and then we'll get him out. We'll get him nice and rested. Get the water and oxygen into his gills. Yeah, he's perking up now. Yeah, he's got a bit of life there. We'll take another look at him before we get him back in anyway. He guzzled it, but we were able to get it out safe. Tell you, he's when he gets fatter and bigger, we're back and catch him again. But for now, we're just letting go. And off he goes. We've not had any hits and runs. It's just gone quiet since the earlier on. We had a few missed hookups. They would have been our chance. We could have had a few fish on the board, but sure, look, if I'm honest with you, I'm happy with the big one we got. Or he probably weighs the same as the majority of some of the smaller ones that I had to catch. One big one, I suppose, equates to a load of small ones, so we're not complaining. We had a good day as well, so if you enjoyed this one, enjoyed seeing the chunk being caught, happy days.